Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use Signal Private Messenger step by step. Today we will learn how to remove contact from your group. Let's get started and see how can we do that. Click on Signal app icon. Open group chat. Let's try this one. Press on three dots which shown on top right. Click on group settings. Scroll down until we get members. Press on view all members. Select the person which you want to remove from your group. Let's try this one. Scroll down till we get remove from group. You will get message remove Sunshine from the group. Press remove. Now you already removed the person. That's it. If this is your first time or watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.